Hi guys, it's me Hedgie. Today we're going to be playing some Don't Press the Button with oh my gosh, the Game Pass with CG5. He's my friend. He was Jack, the guy in Rainbow Friends. Go follow this guy. I think he knows where he's going. Oh my gosh. Right here and there. What? What? Oh, this is so cool. Gotta be tiny. And throw beach ball out. Where'd my beach ball go? Gonna build a mountain. That almost killed me. Mountains are safe. Pushes everyone off. No, that... Oh my gosh, he made me dead. I was doing so good. I want to press the button. No, what the? Yes. Can I go under these? I don't think so. Go for a beach ball. For security. I see it, I'm tiny. So escape the bank. At the end of the video, I might show you guys some secret codes. And please donate so you can get free Robux. Oh yeah, so one of my fans said he wants me to play Obby but you're a ball, but I'm doing that next week. Give me coin. Mine. No way he took it. Light fireworks. Where's the firework? Firework? Firework. Oh, people are lighting their fireworks. Firework. She stole my firework. Don't you dare. Bad person. Found 0 fireworks. A firework! A firework! Yay, a firework! I can light more. I got a 1 on my head. My friend's gone. More firework. Firework! Firework! Me light you. I want to see this firework. Whoa. Oh, I was a button presser. What if I just put a mountain there? Oh my gosh, it's here. What if I jump? Jump. Oh, I'm not tall enough. I want to press it. Hey, you're not pressing it. I am. I pressed it. See, I pressed it. And I haven't died yet. I took them. What the? What's happening? I got bunny ears on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is hard. Oh, did I win? Oh no, that's a checkpoint. This is a new one. I never seen this one in the game. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Jeez. A checkpoint! Oh my god, I haven't died yet. I want to be tiny. Am I gonna be the second one? Well, I might be the first one because the guy with the rainbow carpet finished. And I'll still button presser. Get points. Points. I look good with the hedgehog. My coin. Yum 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 yum. Yum. Grab the most amount of candy. I see a candy. Another candy. Oh, that guy took the candy. A candy. I took it. A candy. 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 Oh no, that guy took it. Candy. This one's so cool. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? I took damage. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So hard. So hard. I'm no damage. Oh my god. What's this? I failed. I have a mouse. I don't know what that did. Go throw a beach ball. Drink this. Make a tower. My tower! Enter the castle. Hope there's no lava, it's ice. Okay, it is ice. There was no jumping. I was literally pressing the jump button. And after I died, I saw there was no jump button. I'm gonna be tiny through beach ball. Ooh. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Turn. Gonna be giant. Yeah, I think you go faster when you're tiny. I scared a lot when I was tiny. Oh, this is where I died. Stop it. Stop it. Well, I fell off the middle of nowhere. Who was chosen? I can't see because of these. Athletic. Oh, I don't know what I said. Watch out for the waning bomb. No. Go build a tower. Be safe up here. Who built it up and ruined my tower? I'm gonna do 5 more rounds. This is one of the 5. If I die, I have to end the video. If I don't die, I gotta do 5 more and 5 more and yeah, like at least 10 rounds. Oh my god, little legs are moving. Oh my gosh, I can't jump. I don't know if this song is copyrighted. I forgot about the thing. Now I have to leave. So I'll just quickly show you guys something. So this next one's gonna be in please donate. So it has this, and you can redeem codes. I'm gonna tell you one of the 2 codes. So I think that's one of them. Yeah, you get 20 Robux. And I'll show you another one. No one's coming to donate. This guy's gonna donate me, I think. Oh, he is. Bet changes 75 over 100. So is he gonna donate? Let's see. How much is he gonna donate? Question mark. Why am I getting scammed? You donating? What? I guess he's gonna donate. Let's see, how much is he donating? Oh, he has no Robux. Okay, for the second redeeming code is gonna be please donate news 10 and enjoy your Robux, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and bye guys. Bye.